All right, got this really nice Amaredom foldable book stand. This is a great product for cookbooks, for and really just any type of books. I think this is going to come in very handy for cookbooks as well as for you can hold your laptop, tablet, whatever. As you can see, very condensed, can easily fit into the slot with other books, other cookbooks. That's amazing. Also opens up. So I'm just going to open it up really quick. Before I do that, I want you to see it's got these nice little vibes right here to protect the bottom as well as the surface that it's on. So it's also non-slip. That makes it non-slip. So I'm going to set it down like so, and you open it up like so, and then you can also open it up back here. And as you can see, this moves quite a bit. I really like that. You can get it into the perfect spot. Let's start with the laptop right here, just to show you the vibe of this. So you can put your laptop on here. I'm going to just close this window. That way I can show you. And this window as well. And, say you're at a desk like this and you don't want to be hunched over your computer like this. You can have your computer up here. I'm going to bring it up here like so. And maybe you got a keyboard right here that you can do the work. You can do the work right here like so. Have a mouse right here, and you're good to go there. So that's amazing. Then the other thing you can do, here's the cookbook right here. Set your cookbook on top of here. I'm just going to move this up a little bit more. You can put this in whatever position you want. And let's just open it up to whatever slot we want to have right here for the cookbook. And then I'll show you this in a second, but it's got these little clips right here that'll keep the cookbook open. So you can see right here, these clips, they come down from right here, and that way the cookbook stays open. You can just clip it right to the cookbook, and now you're good to go. So I think this product is sweet. I think it's really cool. Let me condense it down. Let me just show you really quick, just the full vibe. It's also got this for when it condenses all the way down. That's to keep it protected. I think this is just a really nice product, and I highly recommend it to you.